Can't use Discord because it keeps saying login or password is invalid when you're trying to log in? No sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing it on your computer. So let's jump into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Check Discord server status. To do this, go to discordstatus.com with a browser of your choice. Once the page loads, you'll see all the different parts of Discord like API, media proxy, gateway, push notifications, search, and more, whether they are online or offline. If the top bar says all systems operational, then there are no outages going on. But if it says there's a partial outage or maintenance going on, all you can do is wait for the Discord support team to sort it out. Solution 2. Reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first right-click on your computer. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on command prompt, select run as administrator, and then click on yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit enter. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS and hit enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press enter. Next, type in netsh int IP reset and hit enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. After that, check if you can log in without getting this error. Solution 3. Reset your Discord password. For this one, open up Discord on your computer. Then enter your email or phone number in the first field here. Next, click on Forgot your password under the password field. And you'll see a message pop up telling you that password reset instructions have been sent to you. Just click OK. Then, check your inbox for an email or message from Discord about resetting your password. Open the email. Then click on the reset password button and this page will load up. Here, type in a new password and hit that change password button and your password will be changed. So, you should be able to log into your Discord account with the new password. And that's it. That's how you fix the login or password is invalid in Discord on your computer. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. As always, thanks a million for watching.